All right, students, this is a quick video to show you what to do on your website for your project. You're going to be going to howthemarketworks.com. You'll be creating an account with $50,000 or $100,000 of pretend money. Go to the dashboard. I hope you mess around in this a little bit. There's a lot of interesting stuff in here you can do and play around with. This website follows the real stock market. Even though it's pretend money, your stock that you pretend to invest in will do the same thing that the real stock market is doing. So let's say we go in here, we want to trade some stocks. And there's a number of ways to do this. Back on that dashboard again, you could do some research to see what you want to invest in. You could do throw a dart, which just shows you randomly a few things, right? So you could do throw a dart. You could go down here and look at, hey, what's popular right now. It's always good to buy when stuff is down, sell when it's back up again. So I like Starbucks, so I'm going to buy some Starbucks. It's taking a minute. Sometimes it takes a second or two to load. There it is. There's my Starbucks. Let's do 500 shares of Starbucks. I don't know if I can afford that, but I'm going to try it. This shows you what it's doing today. Click to preview the order. Oops, I don't have enough money to do 500 shares of Starbucks. Let's do 100 shares of Starbucks. Click to preview the order. Sometimes it's going to tell you to add a note. Buying low to sell high later. Obviously, if you buy it while it's cheap and then it goes up later, which stuff usually does, right, you'll make money. Doesn't always work though. It's a bit of a strategy game. Okay, so that order was placed successfully. So I bought some Starbucks stock. Later on, after you've done like 4 or 5 of these, go to your My Portfolio at the top, go to Open Positions, and this will show you your investments. You can either trade them back out if they're doing badly or something. You can go in there like a real stock person and trade stuff out and change stuff every couple of days. I have no problem with that at all. But let's say after a while, I'm like, hey, I want to see how my Starbucks is doing. After 2 to 4 weeks of doing this, I want you to go back in and collect data for this last part of your project. This is where you'll get your data. You can use a chart, you can take a picture of it, a screenshot of it, or just write out the information for the last part of your project. Good luck with that, and have fun with it.